Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by prepping. Cleanse the lash line and lids with micellar water so mascara adheres to hair, not skin. Once done, apply a lash primer or clear mascara. This creates a base that grips pigments and prevents transfer. Make sure to blot excess moisture from lashes and lids with a tissue. A slightly tacky primer helps. Comb lashes through with a clean spoolie to separate hairs and remove clumps, because evenly spaced lashes dry faster and smear less. You apply mascara using short, controlled strokes. Wiggle the wand at the roots to deposit product, then sweep the tip through to the ends to avoid heavy buildup. Once you've coated lashes, let each thin layer dry for about 20 to 30 seconds before adding another. Multiple thin coats beat one thick coat for flake prevention. Make sure to keep eyelids still. Blinking into wet mascara causes transfer. If you choose waterproof, use it sparingly because removal can dry lashes. You finish by setting the under eye area. Hold a small brush under the lashes and dust a thin layer of translucent powder to absorb oils that cause panda eyes. Once mascara is dry, remove any accidental smudges immediately with a cotton swab dipped in micellar water. Pat, don't rub. If flakes or smears appear later, press gently with a cool metal spoon to dislodge and lift product. Avoid rubbing, because that spreads pigment and irritates skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.